So in this video, I'm going to show you what iOS 14 really have for us after we updated our phone. So first of all, I'm just going to go to the clock and then we check out and we try set an alarm, and you see the scroll wheel we had initially is not really here. Now iOS want us to just type in maybe 12:25. That is our time now. But when you look closely, you can see the scroll wheel is embedded in it, and now you can scroll within the box over there, and I think that is very cool. You are going to see a lot of good stuffs here. So, and one of the most insane part of this update is you just double tap the back like this and it screenshots for you, and trust me, that is very cool, and it has bring us a lot of cool color compression, and we can just change out the colors to any color you feel like you want. And initially it wasn't really like this, but I think this new update has brought a lot of good stuff to us. So I think iOS did a very good job here. So if you've not seen anything like this in your update, you can just double tap the back of your phone like this, double tap, and then you just get a screenshot of whatever you are doing. So that is cool, you get it. So you see the screenshot here, yeah, so you just double tap your back of your phone. So another update I think iPhone really did well about this iOS 14 is you can just press hold on your screen like this, and then you can hit on your scroll bar like this, and then you can see all these apps here. You can choose to hide some of the apps you feel maybe you don't want people to see. So all you just do is you hit this side and then you untick it, and then you untick this one, and then you are done, and you just don't see anything again. So if you want to see them again, you just hit on it again, and then you can just check them back and you are good to go. So I think iPhone has really done a very good thing, and you can see your apps are back again. So I think this is a very nice update they've done right there. So in the previous iOS updates, I think we had an update where we were able to just hide pictures right here. You see the hidden file here. So in this new update, you can actually hide them because you've just hide the pictures, but they are still there. So what you can do is you go to settings and then you scroll down to photos, right? And what you can do is you can see this right here. You see hidden album here. So when you untick it like this, and then we come back to photos, we're not going to see our hidden utility here. So what we are going to do is we go back again, and then we hit on it, and then we have it there. So you see we have it there. So that is one good thing to iOS added, and I think this update is very cool. Yeah. So another cool update iPhone actually brought is how you can just use any browser as your default browser. So I think we'll go try the Chrome out, and when you click on this default browser, you can just tap on Chrome, and then you're just good to go. So the next thing I want to talk about is the new widgets they actually added, and this is very cool. You can add a widgets stack, and this is how you do it. So you see right here, you can just hold it, press hold like this, and then you just add it here. You have the two of them there. So when you click done, you can see you can just swipe them between like this. So you see the percentage of your battery, and then you can see your weather like that. So I think that is one cool thing too. And if you want to edit it too, you can just come here and then edit stack like this, and then you will be able to just put it there like that. And yeah, that's how it is. So I think this is one cool thing iOS has done very well. But when you just take them off, you can just delete them, and it's not going to cause any problems. It's not going to delete the app or something. You can just add the widgets right here, which if you want to add them, you just hit on edit like this, and then you can just hit here, and whatever you want to add as a widget, you can just add them, and you're good to go. So I think that is one cool thing iOS 14 brought to us, which is very cool. So the final thing I want to talk about in this video is back tap option, which is very cool. So what if you want to activate that, what you have to do is you go to your settings, and then you go to accessibilities, and then you scroll down to touch, and then you scroll down, and then you can see back tap here. I've already activated it, so I double tap and I get screenshot, I triple tap and I lock the screen. So if you want to see, you can just replace all these things with whatever option or whatever setting you feel like you want to do. So I can just lock my screen right now, but I can show you a screenshot. So I'm going to double tap so that you guys will see the screenshot right here. So you see right there. So that is how the double tap works. If I triple tap, it's gonna just lock my screen, which I will be able to just record this video for you. So if you're cool and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share to anyone who will actually like to update their iOS 14, or you're planning on getting a new iPhone. I think it's very cool. You're gonna love it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video, and then catch you in the next one.